Ever wondered why things stop moving? The answer lies in friction. Friction is the reason things stop moving. Let's understand how friction really works. Friction is a force that opposes motion. When two surfaces rub together, it's everywhere around us, making life possible. Let's look at some friction forces in different activities. How friction helps you walk without slipping. That is, without friction, your feet would slide, and you wouldn't be able to walk properly. Friction between your shoes and the ground gives you grip and helps you move forward. How friction helps a car or scooter stop at signals or whenever needed. Friction between the tires and the road is what slows the car and brings it to a complete stop. Without friction, the tires would just slide over the road, and the car would keep moving, unable to stop safely. How friction helps climbing a ladder. Friction between your hands, feet, and the ladder steps prevents slipping. Without friction, your hands or feet would slide, making it very easy to fall. How friction helps in writing with a pen. Friction between the pen tip and the paper allows you to control the pen as you write, making your letters neat and clear. How friction works on a smooth surface, example ice skating. When you skate on ice, there is very little friction between the blade and the ice. The sharp blade presses on the ice and melts a thin layer of water. This water layer makes the surface extra smooth, but with less friction, it becomes harder to stop or control movement. Also, walking on wet tiles reduces the friction between your feet and the floor. With less friction, your feet can slide easily. When tiles are dry, there is enough friction between your feet and the floor to prevent slipping. How friction works on a heavy object on a rough floor. When you try to pull a heavy object on a rough floor, it doesn't slide easily. The rough surface increases friction between the object and the floor, resisting motion. This means you have to apply more force to move it compared to a smooth surface. There are four main types of friction: static friction, sliding friction, rolling friction, and fluid friction. Friction, a quick summary. In summary, friction is a force that stops or slows down movement when two surfaces rub against each other. The rougher the surfaces, the more friction there is. It helps us walk without slipping, keeps objects from sliding away, and lets us hold things firmly. Friction is very important in everyday life because it controls movement and keeps us safe. Sometimes, friction can also cause wear or make machines work less efficiently, but overall, it is a helpful force that plays a key role in many activities. I hope you're now clear about friction. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more simple science videos.